Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are cooking up some salmon, serve up with some avocado and broccoli, the perfect weight loss dish, the perfect healthy meal. Come over to my kitchen guys, let's go cooking. So here in my frying pan, I have some olive oil and butter, and I am going to add about 3 minced garlic, and I am going to allow this to saute for 1 minute or so. And now I am going to add some onions. This is about half a medium-sized onion that is thinly sliced. And we are going to allow this to saute for a few minutes also. And I am sauteing these veggies on a medium-high heat. Around this time, I'm going to add some green onions, or you can say chives. This is about 2 stalks of chopped chives. And here comes our bell pepper. So I'm using some yellow and red bell pepper. So we're going to give this some stir and allow it to saute nicely. I will not allow the pepper to overcook because I still want that bright looking color. So around this time, I'm adding my salmon. And here I am using a canned salmon. So if you are looking for a recipe with a canned salmon you have around your house, this can also be done with tuna. So I'm seasoning it up with some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and also I'm going to add a little bit of complete season. The complete season I'm using is salt, and because the salmon is already salt, so I will just go ahead and add a small amount. To add some moist to the salmon, I am going to use about 1/4 cup of ketchup, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. And we are going to give this a nice stir. And our salmon recipe is done. Look how delicious this looks. So yummy. So we are going to serve this up with some broccoli and avocado. You want to add your broccoli to boiling water and allow your broccoli to cook for 4 to 7 minutes. So here we have a lovely, healthy dish, the perfect weight loss dish. We have our broccoli that is rich in nutrients. It's also high in protein. We have a high protein salmon. We have our avocado that is rich in healthy fat. So we have a perfect balance here to keep you full while you are on your weight loss journey. So if you are looking for a recipe to help you lose weight, this is a perfect dish. It's very low in carb, high in protein to keep you full, and you will feel really happy that you are eating something healthy and delicious. So like I always said, guys, go ahead, try this recipe, drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. A big shout out to my faithful viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you're here for the first time, thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.